Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you the best Siri shortcuts you can get on your phone. There's thousands of people made, but I'm going to show you the best ones, the most useful, in my opinion, that you can get on your phone. And if you guys like this video, I will be making more videos like this and other types of videos on the channel. So leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned because I'm going to be making some bangers now. Okay guys, let's get into the video. If you've never used Siri Shortcuts before, you're gonna have to go to Gallery and just, doesn't matter which one, just add a random one. Click Add to Siri and then go to My Shortcuts. Go to My Shortcuts down here. Okay, finally clicked. Find the one you just added, click on it, and then it just make sure it's used once, and then you can delete it right after by long pressing and then going to delete. Okay, so here is what you're going to want to do after you do that. Navigate to settings, scroll down until you see, I think I passed it, shortcuts, and you're going to want to turn on allow untrusted shortcuts. Turn it on, it'll ask you to allow it. Click allow and put your phone password in, and then you're set. By the way, all of these are going to be in the description below, and I'll put the names right next to it so it's easy for you guys. Shortcut I'm going to show you guys is social media download. This is pretty cool, as you can go on Twitter or anything and easily download an image or whatever instead of taking a screenshot and cropping it and all that work. So I'm going to go to my Instagram. By the way, follow me. And once I'm here, suppose I want this by Everything Apple Pro. Click the triple dots, click share to, and usually you see as you can see, there's nowhere to add to photos. But if you go down, click social media download, let it go through the process. It looks pretty cool. All that, and then click download all or select manual, depending on what you want. I'll just select manual, and I'll do the first image because that's the only one I saw. Click on it, click done, and as you can see, the image is downloaded. Now just click the share icon and click save image. Now if I go to my Photos app, we will see that I have it right here downloaded. The second one I'm going to show you guys is Water Eject. If you have an Apple Watch, you'll know what this is. It basically gets all the water out of the speakers and stuff. So like if your speaker sounds muffly, it'll get the water out of it by playing this high bass song, not song, but something that's really high in bass. So all you want to do, click Water Eject, click Begin Water Ejection, and it makes a sound. Let me put it next to my mic so you can hear it. And it'll keep doing that for I think about 10 seconds or so, and then it'll finish. And it says liquid has been successfully ejected from my phone, and it'll give me the date. That's Water Eject, and that's the second shortcut that's really useful that I will show you. The third shortcut I'm going to show you guys is super low power mode, and well, it's basically in the name. If your phone's really low on battery and you don't have a charger and you're jailbroken or something so your phone can't die, just click super low battery mode, click on activate, and it'll do a bunch of things to make your phone super low power mode so it can survive the longest. And if you want to deactivate it and go back to what you had, click on it again. If you can barely see it, but click deactivate, and it'll deactivate, and it'll give you a notification that it's not activated. I'm going to turn back low power mode. Code is really useful and I've been using a lot recently. It's called Search On. So you can either click on it in the Shortcuts app, or usually I have my shortcuts over here. So I just click search on. It'll bring me here. What do you want to search? I'll just write Tazaka Tech. Click OK. And then it's going to ask you where do you want to search it. From all these, I'll just say YouTube. It'll launch up YouTube. And as you can see, it'll search it up and my channel is going to be there. There's going to be a red button there. It should say subscribe, and I advise you guys click on it. On to the next shortcut. Shortcuts for all you guys that go to restaurants a lot and stuff like that, or just go out to eat, even though like it's not possible like now, but even if you order food and stuff, this will work. So it's called tip amount. Click tip. What's your bill? Let's say it's 107, whatever. Click OK. And what's the tip percentage? It would say on the receipt. So let's say it's a 10% tip. It'll give you how much you have to pay for the tip and your total. So this is a pretty good, cool shortcut. It saves you a bunch of calculations that you'd have to do, and it'll just tell you straight up what numbers you have to pay or how much. On to the next shortcut. Okay guys, this next one, I wouldn't say it's useful, but it's fun to use. It's called Message Spammer. You're going to want to click on it. How many would you like to send? 10 messages. What do you want it to say? Subscribe to Tazaka Tech. Because, well, all of you should do this or else I'll spam you. Who knows? Okay, I probably won't, but you should still subscribe and like. Click on OK. Scroll down until you see the person you want to spam. I'm going to click me. You can click multiple people, so it'll send to group chats. Click done when you're done, and it'll start spamming the person. As you can see, it's spamming it to myself. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As you can see, it spammed 10 messages to me, and I guess it keeps going. It's kind of buggy. It might go overboard, but you can stop it whenever you want by just clicking back on the shortcut up here, and boom, it stops spamming it. Don't know why it didn't stop, but that should have been the last one, and as you can see, it stopped. This is just a fun prank to pull on your friends, and if I go to my Messengers app, I click me, and oh, that's why I was sending it double. Because I was sending it to myself, so yeah, whatever. It's kind of weird, but. And that's Message Spammer. On to the next shortcut. Next one is going to be called Fast Charge, and it's in the name. You click on it, and it'll put your phone in a bunch of settings so you can charge really fast. It'll prompt you with this. Click on, you can send feedback about it, or just click Fast Charge. Will you turn off your phone? Let's say no, because I'm playing COD Mobile or something. So, I meant to click no. Whatever. It'll tell you your phone percentage and turn on Bluetooth when you're done. Yeah, I have AirPods, sure. Turn low power mode off when done. Yeah. And it'll put you all the settings and make it so you can charge fast. As you can see, I'm in airplane mode, low brightness. It turned that on. Don't know why I turned my flashlight on. I'll turn that off. And it turned on low power mode. So these are the fastest options so you can charge your phone instantly. And there you go. That's called Fast Charge. On to the next shortcut. The next one, it's going to be called Google Translate. The first time you use it, it's going to prompt you with something that says, is there any other languages you'd like to use or whatever? And you just put in all the languages you wanted to use. And if you think of a language afterwards, click the triple dots, scroll down until you see, here we go, right here, not the first one, the second one, and just put in all the languages you want in there, and then just click done. So how it works, click on it, you copied something, so you can just put what's on your clipboard, or you can enter text. I'll click enter text, like the video, Click OK. Pick what language. Let's do it in Spanish. And as you can see down there, it'll tell you what it is. You can either share it to someone or copy it to clipboard. And yeah, that's Google Translate. It's really simple. On to the next shortcut. The shortcut's called AllInOne Utilities. And hold up, there we go. As you can see in the name, it has a bunch of stuff. 1,600 actions. This is a massive one. It'll give you a bunch of stuff to do. Let's go click System, and it'll give you more options. Ultra low power mode, reset network, control center 2. It'll show you a bunch of, and I mean a bunch of options you have. It has like a lot of shortcuts built into one. Let's just click System, and I'll just do network speed. It'll bring me to fast.com. You can, when you first run it, it'll ask you what you want to use. I just use this because it was default. And it'll give me my speed, 110, whatever, that's decent. But yeah, this has a bunch of options. And it also has just some fun options. So if I go back, click on fun, and I can do, where is it? Games. And let's do guess the number. 1 through 1,000, dang, 420, there we go. Click OK. Higher, 700. Lower, 550. Higher, 650. Lower, 600. Lower, okay, we're getting close, guys. 570. 560. 555. 556. Boom, we got it. As you can see, we guessed the number. It has a bunch of games, 20, 40, whatever. And this is AllInOne Utility. On to the next shortcut. Guys, this is going to be the final shortcut I'm going to show you in this video. And this is the best shortcut ever, in my opinion. It's so fun. It's not, it's like the spamming one. It's not something you need, but it's really funny and hilarious. And I'm going to show you guys at 3, 2, 1. B-movie spam. So it spams the entire script of the B-movie. Yeah, just click on it. Send it to whoever you want. I'll scroll down and send it to myself again. And you'll see I'm going to get, it'll slowly send the entire B-movie script. It's a really annoying one you can send to your friends, but it's really funny too. Look, it'll just keep on sending it non-stop. And the only way it can be stopped is by clicking stop yourself. And then it'll stop sending the script. But that's a really cool one. Here, and those are the best shortcuts in my opinion. And I'll go over them again. We have social media download, water eject, super low power mode, search on, tip amount, message spammer. Let me refocus. There you go. Fast charge, Google Translate, B-movie, and AllInOne Utility. These two down here are in shortcuts. This just goes with that, and I'm pretty sure this goes with fast charge. It just makes it so it's more compatible. It'll make you automatically download it when you download that, just so it works better. And guys, there you have it, the best ones. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and enjoy this video, because I'm going to make a lot more videos. Not like this. Maybe I'll make updated ones if I find better ones. But I'm just going to make a lot of videos. So peace out, guys, and I hope you had a nice day.